Do you know your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra can automatically reset itself after too many incorrect unlock attempts? This feature helps protect your data if someone tries to access your phone. Let me show you how to enable it. First, open Setting. Scroll down and tap Lock Screen and AOD. Tap Secure Lock Setting. Enter your current screen lock to continue. Now find Auto Factory Reset and then turn it on or off. When this option is enabled, your phone will reset to factory settings after 20 incorrect unlock attempts. This means all data, including files and downloaded apps, will be erased. So make sure to back up your data regularly if you enable this feature. You can enable it if you want extra security to protect your data from unauthorized access, or you can disable it if you are worried about accidentally triggering it. And that's how you enable or disable auto factory reset on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.